Thank you for wanting to learn more about how we conceptualize NET from a mental health perspective. If you are a therapist, you know that our work sometimes can be straightforward. What some clients need most is a relatively blank mirror against which to see their own reflection. And by being that mirror, we can help clients perceive their deeper feelings and thoughts and live better lives. While there is always more available for these clients, sometimes this is enough for them to accomplish their therapy goals and move forward.
At the same time, we may know from experience that a large percentage of clients really do need more from us to overcome their emotional, cognitive, and somatic blocks. And as professionals that want to maximize our effectiveness, we need and desire additional tools.
If you watched the Why NET video, you have begun to understand the place for NET and how we conceptualize it from a mental health perspective. This video is designed to dig deeper and explain more about NET as an extremely powerful processing tool for therapists.
In a very real sense, no one experiences a purely objective sense of reality. Throughout our lives, our experiences and their impacts link together in a complicated mind-body web that uniquely affects our thinking patterns, how we feel, and our sensations in the present.
To put it more scientifically, each of us experiences life through the matrix of past events, constellated neurocognitively in our brain and somatically in our body. This happens as the impact of life events, including their affective power, is stored on interconnected neural brain networks and physiologically in our cells through neuropeptides. The result is that we experience life through the whole body lens of what has happened up until now and how it has uniquely and emotionally impacted us.
The psychological field has long recognized that emotions holistically affect the whole mind-body system. Published in 1984, the Longman Dictionary of Psychology and Psychiatry defines an emotion as a complex reaction pattern of changes in nervous, visceral, and skeletal muscle tissues in response to a stimulus. It goes on to say that an emotion involves widespread physiological changes.
Again, the reason this level of detail is important is that adverse emotional events affect the whole organism comprehensively and physiologically in a way that mars our true mind-body essence, blurs the voice of our inner knowing, and prevents us from feeling and acting in line with our deepest desires. The result is that our human agency is diminished, and we have less control over how we think, feel, and live.
This is why purely client-centered and cognitive behavioral therapy can fall very short for clients. Even for those who glimpse what may be best, pursuing it may be nearly impossible due to any combination of cognitive, emotional, or somatic blocks. And unless the physiological effects of the past are reprocessed, the ability for clients to pursue their best lives may forever remain elusive.
Fortunately, psychotherapy has seen the need for advanced processing techniques that address multiple consequences of traumatic and adverse experiences. Francine Shapiro pioneered eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. EMDR works especially to reprocess emotional memories that are stored on specific neural networks and interfere with daily life. It also has a somatic processing step in the protocol. Peter Levine pioneered somatic experiencing, which is largely a body-first, physical approach to trauma processing. Stephen Porges introduced polyvagal theory, and related interventions can helpfully inform treatment.
Yet, perhaps unlike these or any other processing techniques that can be incorporated into psychotherapy, Neuro Emotional Technique works deeply on all three mind-body dimensions, somatic, cognitive, and emotional simultaneously. It is efficient, and in addition, its effectiveness has been confirmed through functional MRI imaging at Thomas Jefferson University's Medical School, as well as through other research.
We're excited to portray how this technique works. Again, this series of videos is designed to explain and portray NET from a mental health perspective so that you can make an informed decision about your treatment. The video, Tools of NET, guides you through some of NET's tools so that you will better understand the portrayal videos. Then, the mind, body, and feeling entry videos each enter from their particular dimension and bring all three dimensions into greater harmony and resolution. The longer treatment videos then portray how the whole technique can work together in a treatment session. Then the interactive interview video provides additional and more experiential information from both of our perspectives.
We recommend that you watch the videos in order, starting with the Tools of NET video. We are excited that you are here and that we can help explain a technique that has changed our lives and that we believe has the power to change yours and your clients.